National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Freestone County and Central Texas, northern Leon County and Central Texas, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located at Buffalo, or 11 miles southeast of Teague, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. A rotating funnel cloud was spotted northwest of Buffalo at 6:09 p.m. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Buffalo around 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Langley, Dew, Flo, Oakwood, Colt, Doney, Freestone, Red Lake, and Jewett. This includes Interstate 45 between mile markers 173 and 190. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.